morning, Joni.
Good morning. Wine is always good.
Yes. And what I'd like you to do, I've been doing morning salads.
Wonderful,
And
wonderful.
Could you,
Yes.
again, give us the value on morning salads, raw, sometimes cooked, a little bit here and there, and the 9 Amigos that you put together, or Omegas. Could you go through that a little bit?
Absolutely. This is a very nutrient-dense salad, and we've been really focusing on adding as many nutrients as we can to our morning salads. It includes many different kinds of vegetables and edamame beans, avocados, some fats, some herbs, whatever we've got on hand, broccoli, sauerkraut, so many different things, some root vegetables, onions, everything that you can possibly put in there for vegetables. And we always add some seeds. These are pumpkin seeds, these are cashew nuts, just a few sprinkle of a few maybe chia seeds, all those kind of seeds and nuts. And then of course, this is our favorite bread now. It's called a flambe bread. It's made of a lot of seeds and nuts as well. And we've added a bit of brie and some goat's cheese.
Yes.
Which is a very good kind of cheese to have, as long as they're grass-fed from Sicily. This is an amazing, and it does so well for your digestive system, the fiber you need every day. You need for the microbiome. Anyways, not to go into all those details, but basically it keeps your body clean and moving, very, very healthy.
You've done a very good job of training me.
Yes, I'm
And
amazed. You're even better than me now on all these healthy ingredients.
If you understand movement, let me tell you, movements have been amazing. Smooth and gentle.
You will never have a problem.
I've always known Joan to be a little nutty, but she has some great ideas. This morning, we're out of the dressing for the seed dressing for that we use a lot on salads, and now she's going to tell us how she prepares it.
Yes, what I've already done is I've taken the nuts and put them into this container. There's 3 different kinds of nuts in here, and that is cashew nuts, walnuts, and almonds.
All organic, right?
All organic, of course.
Yes.
And now I'm going to do the seeds, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different seeds and 3 nuts. So I'll take a scoop of sunflower seeds, a scoop of pumpkin seeds, a scoop of flax seeds, a little bit smaller.
Yeah, not so, yeah.
And a scoop of chia seeds.
Oh, those are good. Oh.
Really good. A scoop of sesame seeds.
Right.
And double portion of hemp seeds.
Yes. That is
2
amazing
scoops
stuff, by the
of
way.
hemp seeds.
Yeah.
For our seed nut mixture, and that goes on everything.
Oh, it's so perfect.
Lots
Ciao.
of omega-3s.
Ciao.
Ciao.